Today I'm making coconut longan agar-agar jelly. It's a refreshing sweet jelly dessert that's beautiful blue color. This longan agar-agar jelly goes very well with a creamy coconut layer, so we will be making 2 layers. This recipe is for 8 to 10 servings. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, extract the blue color from the butterfly pea flowers. Soak 30 grams of butterfly pea flower in 350 ml of hot water. Make sure they are fully submerged in the hot water. Set aside for 10 minutes. Next, fold the pandan leaves into little knots. Set aside. Open the can of longan. Separate the liquid syrup from the longan fruit. Set the longan fruit aside. Measure the amount of the syrup that we have. Set it aside. There is 12.7 grams of agar-agar powder here. Divide the agar-agar powder equally into 2 parts. Each of these bowls will have roughly 6.3 grams of agar-agar powder. Leave aside. Check on our butterfly pea flowers. A lot of the natural blue dye has been extracted. Remove the flower. And strain the rest of the dye. We are making the blue layer first. There was about 300 ml of syrup. Add it all to the pot. Measure the amount of the blue dye. There is also 250 ml of it. Add it all to the pot. 50 grams of white granulated sugar. Stir until it's well combined and almost dissolved. Add 6.3 grams of agar-agar powder. Stir until evenly combined. Add the pandan knot. Place the pot over medium heat and stir continuously until all the agar-agar has completely dissolved and the mixture has come to a rolling boil. This took about 4 minutes. Alright, the mixture is boiling. Switch off the heat and remove the pandan leaves. Prepare the mold for the jelly. In 7 by 7 inches pan, add all the longan. Spread them evenly around the pan. Make sure there are no overlap. Pour the blue agar-agar mixture into the pan. Push down any floating longan so they are fully submerged. set aside to cool and harden. This takes about 30 minutes. Alright, the longan agar-agar layer has hardened. Make light swirl with the fork on the surface. This helps bind the coconut layer better later. Next, make the coconut layer. In a pot, add 500 ml of freshly squeezed concentrated coconut milk, 6.4 grams of agar-agar powder, and 100 grams of sugar. Stir until all the sugar and agar-agar powder are fully distributed. Switch on the heat to medium. Add 2 pandan nuts. Keep stirring until the mixture is very smooth and comes to a gentle boil. This takes about 4 minutes. Alright, the coconut jelly mixture is boiling. Switch off the heat and remove the pandan nut. Keep stirring for 2 minutes to release more heat from the mixture and cooling it slightly. If it is still very hot, the coconut mixture can melt the blue jelly when poured. Pour the coconut agar-agar mixture on the surface gently with the ladle. This prevents any large bubble from forming. Once done, pop any bubbles on the surface of the jelly mixture. This prevents holes from forming on the end result. Leave it for about 30 minutes to harden. Once it had hardened, cover with cling wrap. Make it stick to the surface of the coconut jelly. Chill it in the fridge for 4 hours minimum. After 4 hours, remove from the fridge and the cling wrap. Run the knife along the side to help it loosen. Place a plate over. Turn it and nudge it out gently. If it doesn't come out nicely, give it a little slap. So pretty! Our coconut longan agar-agar jelly is ready to be served. Thank you and bye-bye!